Why do 90% of beginners fail to make money online? Today, we're revealing the secret to effortless income. Ready? Let's go. All right, let's break it down into 3 super simple steps. Step 1, pick the right affiliate program. Forget about small-time stuff. Think big. High-ticket programs like ClickFunnels, Kajabi, or Teachable. These can pay you $500 to $1,000 per sale. And guess what? No need to sell yourself. Step 2, automate your content. Set up blogs, YouTube videos, social media posts, all promoting your affiliate links. Use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule. Your content works 24/7, making money while you chill. Step 3, utilize email marketing. Build a list with ConvertKit or MailChimp. Set up automated email sequences promoting your high-ticket products. Emails work for you, bringing in sales while you relax. And there you have it, 3 easy steps to earn $2,500 a week with minimal effort. Follow these steps and let your automated systems work for you. Ready to make it happen? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more tips. Check the description for links to top affiliate programs and tools. Thanks for hanging out, and remember, making money online can be as easy as lounging on your couch. Stay awesome and keep hustling.